Okay, so here we are in my script, and what I do here in the loop basically is I look for the user's input and check if the dots or check if the first characters are either read or write. The words read or write. So I use the substring, like if the first 5 letters of the input are the word write, then I'll do one thing, and if the first 4 letters are the word read, then I do something else. In the read case, I read a value from EEPROM, and the write case, I write a value to a specific address. So with write, I actually need to get more information. And for read, now all this is through the serial port, which I've initialized, or serial monitor, I should say, which I've initialized up above. Now the screen's going to get a little small as I bring the read-write box into view. Here we go. So first of all, I've got to run the script. So the simulation, actually I already started it. So I'm going to say write to address 1, the number 100. And then I wait up above and make sure it does that. What you see there is from prior attempts, and now I'm going to read again. So read from address 1, and I expect to get back 100. There we go. So I wrote 100 to address 1, and then I read address 1, and I got back 100. Let's try that again. Write to address 500, the value 244, and then I'll read from address 500, and I should get 244. There it is, writing to address 500. It wrote 244. Now I'm reading address 500, and I hope to get back 244. You have to be careful when you write these in. It worked. When you write these numbers, they have to be fairly small, otherwise they go over to the next byte. And it's reading and writing is single byte only, so some integers take more than 1 byte. So unless your numbers are like under 255, you may not get to read back what you wrote. But the assignment says it's not a concern. So that's the end of my simulation. I hope that's satisfactory.